Hello again. Just plugging in a 2006 Ford Transit using the Delphi Autocom software, whatever you want to call it. Non-starting issue. We've got what I'm going to do. I'm going to clear all the codes out. I've already taken pictures of the codes that are stored in it. We're going to erase all the codes and see what we're left with. See if they go away. So we're left with, see if we can get rid of that. And then injector control unit. Just that one, but I don't think that one will clear. No, that one's not clearing. And if I'm right, these have the ECU on the diesel pump. It's the Duratorque DI engine, so we've got a low battery voltage anyway. It does want a battery. I've tried putting it on charge overnight and it's still not taking a decent enough charge. I've load tested it, there's about 10.5 volts, so that's not good enough, so I've had to put the boost pack on as well just to bring it up. So possibly gonna have to get a battery for it, and the starter's sticking. Power control module, main relay, see what's left. Clear all the fault codes and see what's left. So we're just left with that unknown fault on the immobilizer, gearbox non-responded, instrument cluster, communication bus fault. Safety clear, see what we're left with. So we're just left with the ABS pump motor CKT failure. Come on, just clear. And that's a no. And the faults in the engine, I don't know why. I've got a brake hydraulic pressure transducer rear right wheel circuit failure and PCM main relay. So clear the fault code and see what we're left. Just the unknown fault codes. So now, see if fault codes will get erased on all. So I'm judging by the ones that are coming up with a red line through and showing up red. It means you can't clear them, because that means anti-theft. Oh, right. So we've got to immobilize operating fault codes, deleting the info system stuff. So technically, we could have a fault with the immobilizer, it not registering. So leave that. We'll go in through diesel OBD, because now we can read fault codes and just an unknown real-time data. See what we're getting. Why getting? Fuel pump monitor off. Engine speed. So let's see if we get a cranking speed. Right, well, we're getting cranking speed. And now the starter's sticking as well. Lovely. Right, so we're getting an RPM reading. Control unit power supply, so we've got 11.12 volts. Program keys, 3. This is where you need Ford IDS now. Right, I'm gonna cut this video off here. I'm gonna have a mess around with this transit van, take starter off and see if we get that working right, because it's just throwing it out, so we might want a starter. Right then, please like, rate, subscribe, whatever else you do. Bye.